Hi, I'm Tim. Let's face it, running a landscaping business is hard work, but managing the business can be even harder and really time-consuming. Now it doesn't have to be. I'm going to show you a new, easy way to do both. TurfWizard is a complete web-based business management system for landscapers. It's easy to use and provides you with quick and easy access to bidding and bid tracking, contract management, scheduling, job completion, and billing. TurfWizard also allows you to look at the whole business, not just your individual customers, because of its robust tracking and reporting capability. This means that you'll save even more time and earn more money because TurfWizard trims time off your scheduling and billing so you can keep a greener bottom line. Let me show you how easy it is for TurfWizard to get you from scheduling to billing in less than 5 minutes from your computer or mobile device. Take a look.
Hello, and welcome to TurfWizard Video Tutorials. This video will show you how to set up your business on TurfWizard. On the TurfWizard login page, click Register Today on the right-hand side of the page. You are now on the Company Registration Wizard, where you will enter your company's information as well as your personal contact information. Company name, address, first and last name, phone number, and email are all required fields, although it is helpful to enter in as much information as possible. We will now enter in the company information. When finished, select the blue Register button on the bottom of the page to proceed. The next page you are brought to is the New Master Account page. This is where you choose a username and password that you will use whenever you log into your TurfWizard account. The username can be as many characters as you'd like and may include symbols and numbers. Passwords are required to have at least 6 characters and may also include symbols and numbers. Once the information is inputted and confirmed, click Register at the bottom of the page to proceed to the Setup Wizard. This page will start the process of the Setup Wizard, in which you will enter in all of your company's detailed information. Please review the requirements on this page before clicking Next. Once you have selected Next, you are brought to the Company Profile Add page. On this page, you will create your company profile. This is where you will enter your default labor rate per hour, your tax rates for materials and labor in your area, start and end time you operate each day that will be displayed on the calendar, and finally, your starting invoice numbers and or prefix. We recommend that you use a prefix that will print on invoices if you are interfacing with QuickBooks. All rates are default values that can be edited at any time on a per-client basis to fit your company's needs. You can now click on Add Profile. This will bring you to the Crew Add page. TurfWizard requires that at least one crew must be defined. For example, if there are a small number of employees, the crew name could be Team, and the crew description could be what the crew's specific job function is, such as mowing, plowing, etc. You may add as many crews as you'd like to fit your company, provided there is at least one. Once you have completed all information, select Next to proceed. You are now on the Add Service/Job Templates page, where you will notice a list of different job templates. These templates have fields that have been predefined in the system. However, you can add additional templates or customize the current ones at any time by going to My Account on the menu bar and then Job Template in the drop-down list. Here you can add, delete, or edit any job function to fit your specific business needs. Category refers to the kind of service it is, lawn or plowing. You can then complete other fields, such as the frequency of days or the amount of time the job will take. Under job name, you can define whether this is a one-time job and whether it is taxable. The job rate is a standard box to estimate the job price. The job hours determines how long the job will take to complete. Also on this page is a drop-down menu for selecting a crew. This is where the crew becomes very important. At least one crew has to be assigned to every service that is created in order for it to be scheduled. Next, you can check or uncheck the Create box on the left-hand side of the page for those job templates you wish to create. When all information is completed, you can click the Add Services tab at the bottom of the page. The Setup Wizard is now completed, and you may continue using all other features in TurfWizard. Before adding clients and scheduling work, remember that you must add the information in the appropriate sections. If further help is necessary, please refer to the Knowledge Garden or call technical support for assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy TurfWizard. Hello, and welcome to TurfWizard Video Tutorials. This video will show you how to add a new client. From the menu bar, click on the Client tab, then scroll down and select Add Client. On this page, you will enter your client's information in the respective fields. First and last name, address, and client type, whether residential or commercial, are required fields. All other fields can be left blank if data is not immediately available and can be added at any other time. However, it is helpful to complete as many fields as possible on this initial page. We will now enter in the client information. If the billing or property address is different, check the appropriate box. Under Property, at the bottom of the page, if you click on the Calculate box and enter the property length and width, the correct square footage will automatically appear in the Property Square Feet box. You can now click the Save button and continue to Quick Add on the next page. Quick Add allows you to quickly add one job to your new client's property. If you wish to add multiple jobs or services at a later time, you can select Cancel at the bottom left to skip this page. Otherwise, let's continue with the Quick Add. This page will have your new client's name and property address fields already auto-filled for you. You can now select the category for this client from the drop-down menu, the available jobs, and the start date. Category can be lawn, plowing, hardscape, etc. Once you select the category, you can select jobs in the drop-down menu from Available Jobs. These options are determined by what was entered into the Setup Wizard portion at the initial setup. Now you select the start date for this job. You will notice on the right side, below the property address, is a box highlighted in green, which shows a list of potential services that have already been scheduled for that date. It will show you the cumulative hours for those services. This list will change when the start date is changed and will only display once a category has been selected. This is a very helpful feature, as it indicates whether or not you will have free time for additional work on that date. Note, the Quick Add feature can be accessed at any other time from the Customer Service List page. Refer to the Knowledge Garden for details. You can now check the boxes to the left that designate tax, job recurrence, or convert into a quote, which you may want to give to your client. You can now select the frequency in which the service repeats, daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. There is a drop-down menu that will allow you to choose the day of the week it repeats, or you can click on Daily and the days. Near the bottom of the page, you can find the boxes in which to put the number of hours for a job and the hourly rate. These are default values and can be changed for the specific job. Once all of the information is completed, select the blue Add Service button on the bottom of the page. You have now successfully completed adding a client to the database. On this property list page, you will see 5 small icons to the left of the client's name. You can edit information, add another service, add another contract, add a picture, or simply delete the property entirely. You can easily find a client by typing the first 3 letters of the client's last name in the search bar, or by selecting Client on the home page and then select Client List. Keep in mind that while you have created and scheduled a service for your client, it will not appear on the schedule until the schedule is built. If further help is necessary, please refer to the Knowledge Garden or call technical support. Thanks for watching and enjoy TurfWizard. Hello, and welcome to TurfWizard Video Tutorials. In any business, scheduling is one of the most important, if not the most important aspect. This video will show you how to build a schedule for your clients. Once clients, services, and jobs are keyed into the system, the next step is to put them on the schedule. Of course, you have already assigned crews and dates to the jobs. However, your jobs will not show up on the schedule until the schedule is built. Building a schedule is very easy. From the home page, select Schedule. Then select Schedule again from the drop-down menu. On this page, you will select a category, such as lawn or plow. Then you will assign a date to start running the schedule and a date to end the schedule. Click the Build Schedule button and the schedule is created. The daily schedule will display the current month as well as the next month. The dates that are in bold represent the dates that you have jobs scheduled on. Also on this page is a daily calendar that will display all the jobs scheduled for that specific day, including the crew that is assigned to each job. To view your jobs on any day, simply click on any date that is in bold on the month calendar. At the bottom left-hand corner of the page, you will see a color-coded legend. The color key represents the status of jobs on the daily calendar. For example, a job that is left in white is a job that is a recurring service that is scheduled but has not been completed. It could also designate a scheduled job that has been completed. These are normal conditions. A job that is highlighted in yellow is a job that is not completed or is out of sequence, meaning it is either overdue or skipped. A job highlighted in blue refers to a job that is a one-time only job, meaning that is only scheduled to be done one time. Lastly, a job highlighted in orange is a job that was manually added to the schedule after the schedule was built, either from a desktop or a mobile device. We will now exit this screen to show you how to manually add a job. To add a job manually, select Schedule on the main menu bar, then select Manual Job Add from the drop-down menu. On this page, choose the date for the job to be added. Next, type a minimum of the first 3 letters of your client's last name or business name, and then select the property and the job for that client. Once finished, select the blue Add Job button. The job is now added manually, and you will be rerouted to the home page. Going back to the calendar, select Schedule on the main menu bar, and select Display Daily Calendar. You will now notice that this job is highlighted in orange. You also have the option to display a full month and view all the scheduled jobs for that month. Just click on Display Calendar for a month to change the screen and view a complete month. Here you will see all color-coded jobs. If you move your mouse over a job, a box will appear with details that include start and stop time, what type of job it is, client info, and the services that are being provided. To edit any of these details, you can select Service Details to be rerouted to the Edit Customer Service page. Here, you can edit tax and labor rates, start and end dates, service frequency, materials used, controlled materials, no work days, and special instructions about the client, job, or property. On the Schedule Month page, you have the option to move a job with a drag and drop feature. You may move this job to any date in the future, remembering that you may not move a job back to a date prior to the current date. It is important that at the end of the workday, you update the jobs that have been completed in order for the schedule to color code correctly. To update, select the Crew Management tab on the menu bar and Jobs Assigned from the drop-down menu. On this page, select the crew from the drop-down menu and a date you want to review. Once finished, select Show Jobs. This is the Job Tickets for Crew page, and you will see jobs with assigned crews that are scheduled on that date. Click on the pencil that shows on the right side of a job. On this screen, you add the start and end time for a job, including optional notes that may pertain to billing later on. Click Update. The job is now highlighted in red, signifying that it's been completed. I should point out that although the job is defined in red on this screen, it will show up in white on the month or day schedules. As a side note, daily jobs can also be updated through the Auto Bill feature. An Auto Bill video is available for your review. Your overdue schedule is always displayed on My Page when you first log in. From here, you can rerun the scheduler, view follow-ups, and perform edits. It is important to rerun the scheduler frequently to get accurate scheduling colors and information. One of the most important and amazing features that TurfWizard has to offer is the automatic rescheduling feature. Let's say that a job is skipped for 4 days due to bad weather. On the schedule, the job will show highlighted in yellow to signify that it was skipped or is out of sequence. Now suppose that job was set up to be completed every 7 days. The day that it is finally completed, after the 4 skip days, it will enter into an auto-remembrance state. From that point on, the job will automatically be moved back in the schedule 1 day at a time for completion, until it is finally moved back into its original variance day, at which the job will become unhighlighted and back on a normal routine. TurfWizard actually recognizes the variance problem and fixes it for you automatically. If a hard copy of the schedule is ever needed for the crew, it is available to print from the Schedule tab and then Print Schedule. Scheduling with TurfWizard is a breeze, and it practically thinks for you, saving your business time and money. If you need any additional help, please refer to the Knowledge Garden or contact technical support. Thanks for watching, and enjoy TurfWizard. Hello, and welcome to TurfWizard Video Tutorials. This video will show you how to use the auto billing feature in TurfWizard. Auto billing is a quick and easy way to bill your clients for the jobs that are scheduled for the day. To get started, go to the menu bar and click on Schedule, then select Auto Bill Schedule in the drop-down menu. Here you enter the date of service by typing or clicking on the calendar and Submit. Some notes before we continue. At the end of any workday, you can select that date and bill all of the work completed for that day. Auto bill can be run at any time during the day to review the progress of your crews, provided they are entering time using the mobile or iPad interface. You can also bill jobs for past dates. For example, let's say the bookkeeper is out until Monday. Those jobs for the past week can be billed when the bookkeeper gets back. Billing jobs on a daily basis is not a requirement, but is highly recommended for proper color coding and schedule updates. Once all the jobs have been billed, canceled, or left incomplete, the system will update the schedule and create a queue of unbilled transactions. On the auto bill page, you will be shown all of the client's information. You will see price, quantity, description, and job notes that the crew or management may have added. On the right-hand side of the page, you can check the box that will either bill or cancel the job. Canceling the job will tell the system to reschedule on its normal occurrence without billing the job. By not checking either box, the job will be automatically scheduled for the next day, leaving the time as originally scheduled. You can also select Bill All or Cancel All to save you time. The Actual column refers to the time or the quantity of materials entered by the crew on their mobile or iPad interface. The Quantity column refers to the quantity being billed and can be changed. Any notes that crews have made in the field will be displayed under the line items. Crews can provide explanations of extended time or additional work that was performed. You have the option to add additional line items to the bill by clicking on the Add Item link next to the total amount. A new line will be displayed, and you can type in description, appropriate tax, quantity or hours, and price. Once reviewed and billed, you have officially created the bills for those jobs. The data will be sent into a queue, which will hold all of the billed data until you are ready to send invoices to clients, depending on their billing cycle. Auto billing lets the scheduler know whether or not the job was completed or canceled, and can be color-coded appropriately. Once jobs are billed, they will be deleted from that day's schedule. Please review the billing video to learn how to take these billed clients and turn them into invoices. If you need any further assistance, please refer to the Knowledge Garden or call technical support. Thanks for watching, and enjoy TurfWizard.
That was so easy. Now you know how to get started. But TurfWizard has so many more features to really help you easily manage and grow your business. There's a personal dashboard that will help you start your day right with local weather, your to-do list, and pending items such as proposals that require follow-up or jobs that need rescheduling. And of course, the way you start your day could dictate how the entire day goes for you, your crews, your business, and the most important people in your business, your customers. The To-Dos function helps you keep your customers happy and your business humming by tracking all of your commitments and activities right at your fingertips. No more missed opportunities or customer promises. No more sticky note reminders that get lost, because it's all in TurfWizard by Crew, Job Activity, and Customer. Other features include automated customer proposals and contractual billing that can be completely customized to reflect your business image and specific communications. TurfWizard is also equipped with multiple tracking functions, such as a chemical tracker, so you're always in compliance, a crew tracker, so you know how and where to use your resources based on licenses and expertise, and a materials tracker, so you can be confident that you're maximizing every piece of revenue because you know exactly what materials you've used at each client site. And TurfWizard's reporting will give you a complete business profit analysis, keeping you current on your financial health vitals on each client and on the business as a whole. You'll always know where you stand and easily discern what business changes you need to make to ensure the growth and vitality of your business. So get on TurfWizard yourself right now, free, with TurfWizard's 30-day free trial. You have nothing to lose but trimming time off your scheduling and billing, and everything to gain in keeping a greener bottom line. Tell them Tim sent you.